Deron, English Radio Worldwide Online.
It's that time of the day where we have Helen Deron's Word of the Day. Good afternoon to you, Helen.
Hi, and this is no ordinary day.
No ordinary day?
Absolutely not. Do you know what ordinary means? Do you want me to tell you about the word ordinary?
I would love you to tell me.
Ordinary is an adjective that describes something that's normal or common. It means it's nothing unusual about it. It's very average. For example, my friend thought our teacher was strange, but he seemed perfectly ordinary to me.
How else can it be used?
Actually, it can be used in a sort of a cynical manner to mean something that's inferior quality or second rate. For example, I can't wear that dress to the party, it's too ordinary.
Thank you, Helen.
Okay.
Helen Deron.